just driving home. Right now I'm kind of on that like windy, scenic back country highway part, and I always love when I get back to the interstate just because like I feel like I can autopilot, you know, pretty much the way home. I can just like cruise control for the next 40 minutes and just get home, and I don't have to think or actively drive as much. It's more like passive driving, which I'm much more of a fan of. But it's so beautiful over here, like with all the trees and stuff. It's just very, very beautiful. So yeah, I guess I will vlog a little bit more later today, hopefully. I was wanting to, if I get the energy and if I have the time, I was wanting to make a new bar of soap, and I don't know what I want to do today. I was kind of thinking like, oh, I want to kind of make like a birthday cake soap, even though I know I don't have or it won't, you know, be like my birthday cake soap, because obviously it has to cure for 4 to 6 weeks, but still, it would be fun. Everyone loves the birthday cake soap, so maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't. I don't know quite what I have in mind yet, but definitely have some soap ideas I would like to make. Oh, one thing I forgot to talk about, I didn't get any video clips of this either because I suck, but one of the sweet little gifts my boyfriend got me, he really likes like those international candy like boxes that you can get. So he's gotten like the Japanese ones before, and basically it's just a box of a whole bunch of different snacks from different countries. And one he got me was a little box of snacks from Turkey, and we were trying a lot of those snacks, and they were so good. A lot of them were not as different as I would have thought to be, but it was really, really sweet, and I love stuff like that, so it was just such a sweet little present for him to give to me, and I love snacks. So I really want to get like a cheap little car mount for my camera in here so I can like kind of vlog while I drive, because right now I have literally the dumbest setup ever. I have one of those like little wallet phone cases, so it like, you know, kind of looks like a little book or whatever, which really helps for right now, because if I didn't have that, there is absolutely no way I'd be able to put my camera up on my dashboard like this. Because so basically I just have like the really heavy wallet part on the top with my phone actually like hanging down. It's so silly. I wish I could like show you the kind of setup I have right now, but it works. But the second I take any turn at any faster speed than like 30 miles per hour, it's gonna like slide and fall off, which you probably have already noticed. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Like I said, I'm not really a vlogger, so this feels kind of weird. Like, it doesn't feel weird when I'm filming like by myself and stuff, but it's like when I'm with other people, I try to like sneakily film stuff, and I think sometimes they'll be like, what are you doing, you know, that kind of stuff. But maybe I don't know, maybe I'll get more comfortable with it. My boyfriend was joking. We went to the grocery store yesterday, and I don't know what it was, but he just wanted like every bottle of flavored water and like not flavored water, and just all these different novelty waters. Like, he wanted Fiji water, he wanted black water, he got this other thing called like caramel water or something, and then he got these like vitamin infused other waters, and we were just joking, and we're like, oh, you could do like a water review on my YouTube channel just to like be silly and stuff, which we should have done. He's so funny. He started like acting out like what he would do, and he's like, hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and it was just so funny. It made me laugh. I was just cracking up. I just thought this was a really funny moment. So, okay, I had put a notification on my phone to remind me when this new palette goes on sale. I can't remember who it's with, but I'm sure if you've been on Instagram at all this month, you have seen this palette. It's with Shroud Cosmetics, and I'm so sorry I can't remember who it is, because I don't know who that person is, but that palette is so beautiful. I don't know what it's called, but it is like this perfect, like beautiful, unique Halloween palette, and I want it so bad. And I am just about to get to the interstate, and I got the notification on my phone that it was going to go on sale soon. So I've actually got about 7 minutes until it goes on sale, and obviously I didn't want to have to like, you know, skip it, because I really want it. It's my birthday too, and I want to buy myself a little gift. But yeah, so I decided to just pull over, and now I'm in a Dollar General parking lot, just kind of sitting here for a few minutes until it goes on sale and I can hopefully buy it. But yeah, I just thought this was a really funny moment. I'm literally just sitting in a Dollar Tree parking lot waiting for makeup to go on sale, because I obviously can't buy it while I'm driving. So And I don't know if it will sell out or not, but because I'm not familiar with this cosmetics brand either, but this palette looks so beautiful. I want it. I want to try it out. So yeah. Okay. So sad. Apparently, for some reason, I thought that it was coming out at 10 o'clock my time, but apparently it's coming out 11 o'clock my time. And yeah, so I just sat there for 10 minutes, and then whenever it was time, oh, let me turn the radio down. Love that BTS song, by the way. I'm so glad to hear them on the radio. But anyway, so I just sat there for like 10 minutes like a dummy, refreshing the page, waiting for it to come up. But apparently it comes out 11 o'clock my time. I thought it came out 10 o'clock my time. I don't know if that changed or if I'm just a dum-dum and I got the time wrong. But now I gotta get home, so I'm not driving when it comes out. Luckily, I think I will make it home in time. And I need to slow down a bit right here. I hate coming through this little town because literally the main road is 25 miles per hour. Like, it's just this little town, but there's no reason that this needs to be a 25 miles per hour. It's just, oh gosh, it's like one of those like one street towns. It's so small. But anyway, so I feel a little bit dumb for that, but at least I do have time to get home. I think it'll only take me about 40 minutes, so I should get home just in time for ordering that palette. But man, I was so looking forward to that palette, and I'm like, what the hell's going on? Why not for sale yet? And then I started looking up on Instagram, 9 a.m. Pacific, and I'm like, oh, okay. Oh well, at least I still have time to get home because I really want to get this. Oh, and I remember what the palette's called now because I looked it up just now. It's called It's Freaking Bats, and it's by Butte Bean and Shroud Cosmetics. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know who she is. I'm sure she's a lovely person, and she created a beautiful palette. So I look forward to hopefully purchasing that. So yeah, unfortunately, I didn't get to get the palette yet, but hopefully I will. So I'm just gonna hurry on home, and hopefully I will get there in time and not have to pull over again. Alright, I'm almost home. I'm going over the river, crossing the state line, and driving through downtown, but I'm almost home. I'm making really good time. I think I should be able to get home in time to buy that palette. I think I'm gonna go have sushi tonight with my mom and her boyfriend, just celebrate my birthday. I've actually had a lot of sushi this weekend. I had some from the grocery store we like to go to in my boyfriend's town. They have like really good like grocery store sushi. For grocery store sushi, it's pretty good. But I got some of that on Friday, or was it Friday? Was it Thursday? It might have been Thursday. I don't know, but I had some Thursday, and then I had some yesterday, and then I had like a couple pieces at the buffet that I went to yesterday. So I've actually had a lot of sushi this week, and I really, really like it, and I'm gonna get some more sushi tonight. Sushi is like so funny though, because like for the longest time I did not like sushi, I did not like shrimp, and I didn't start liking shrimp until I was probably like a year and a half into doing keto. And then one day I was just like, I'm just gonna try shrimp again. Like, I never liked it just because I don't really like any, typically I don't like fish, which is funny because I do like sushi and stuff, but I'm just not a huge fan of like cooked fish or like fried fish or anything. I'm just like, I'll eat it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. It's never my first choice. But then just like all of a sudden one day I started liking shrimp, and I'm like, wow, I have missed out on this my whole life. And kind of similar with the sushi, I really just kind of tried it one day. Like, I had tried it multiple times, and I was like, I really wanted to like it because, I don't know, I always thought sushi was cool. And so I would try it, and I'd always just hate it, like absolutely hate it. And I'm like, oh, I really, really want to like sushi. And then it was like almost like a flip switched, honestly. Like one day, it was like when my boyfriend and I very first started dating. I think it was the first time we went to this one Chinese restaurant, and they had sushi, and we were just kind of, he was like, oh, you want to get some sushi? And I was like, sure, okay. And like, it was just like that really cemented it, because I was like, okay, I want to try it again, and hopefully I'll like it. And it was actually like just so good, and I like swear it, like I said, it was like a flip switched. And now I love sushi so much. I was on vacation a few weeks ago, and I went to Pensacola, Florida, and it was crazy because it was right as we were about a day before we were supposed to leave. That was when Hurricane Sally hit, which was kind of a big deal. But anyway, there was a sushi place there. I can't remember what it was called, but it was so good. My brother and his wife and his daughter, they actually went out to go have sushi one night, and Kyle and I had stayed at the condo. We were just kind of like, gonna eat something at the house, but I got him to bring me back they called it a Halloween roll, and I can't even for the life of me remember what all was on it. Oh my god, it was like the best sushi I had ever had in my life. Oh, I wish I had more of that. I'll have to like see if they have anything similar at the sushi place I'm going to tonight, but oh my god, it was so unbelievably good. Mr. Squirrel, move! Oh, thank god. I hate when squirrels run in front of me. God. One time, I think I was probably like, might have been a couple of years ago, but I was just driving, and all of a sudden this bird just like crashed into my car, and I felt so bad. I'd never like hit anything like that before, but I mean, there was nothing I could have done to avoid that, because that bird just like swooped in front of me, but I felt so bad. But I'm finally home. I need to hurry and get all my stuff in the house real quick and get that pallet. So yeah, but I'm finally home. Hi babies. Hi baby. I missed you. I missed you too, Chip Chip. Hi babies. It's so funny, the random things you find in your house. I came home and found this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I think you might like it. Yeah, you might like it. Mimi, what you think? Oh, Mimi don't like it. Chip likes it though. Maybe she does. I think this might be the spookiest thing I've shown all Vlogoween, but this is my cat, Poe. He's a little black cat, and I love him very, very much. He's my little Halloween boy. Okay, so I got the palette. I'm so excited. Especially with a company I'm not familiar with, there are times where I have wanted to like buy stuff from shops and they literally sell out within like 3 minutes. And so I had no idea if this was going to be one of those quick sellouts or it would be there all day. Who knows? But I did order a palette and I can't wait to get it. I think it's all on pre-order for right now, but so beautiful. I'm so glad that I got the palette. So now I just need to unpack a lot of my stuff from the weekend and have some soap stuff that I need to get done. But before any of that, I need something to eat. I'm starving and I'm starting to feel really nauseous. Oh, and really quickly, this was the Turkish Munchies little box that my boyfriend got me. It was so sweet of him. It comes with some little Turkish treats in here. A lot of them I already ate, but they're very, very good. So I have this one left. It looks like a banana wafer kind of treat. I have this. It is a pizza cracker. I'm really excited to try that because that sounds delicious. And then we have these crackers. I think these are probably just like some, I don't know, regular crackers. I don't know if they have any flavor to them or not, but I think that's all I had left. But yeah, it came with this little handout, so it had all kinds of treats on here, certain ones you might have gotten or not gotten, and I think it's all in the back too. So yeah, definitely tons of stuff. And yeah, there were a lot of really, really good ones in here. All right, and this is one of my newest soap creations. This one is like my pumpkin pie soap. I really like how it turned out. It's got like a little pumpkin in the side. I'm trying not to show everything because like my table is a mess, but I need to cut this loaf up in just a bit. And yeah, cut up all these little bars of soap. But this one will be available. This is like a little preview for some of the soaps I'm going to be having in my shop soon. I think all of the ones I'm going to show you are ones that are either already released or will release like in early November. All right, this one is already released. That one is my Haunted Mansion soap. These are going to be released in November. This one is really pretty. It's kind of like a fruit smoothie inspired soap, and I made some more of my boba tea soaps. These were like a really good seller on my shop, so I did a blueberry one, and these were like some little soaps I made for a baby shower order that I got. So yeah, those are just really cute little like baby shower favor soaps. And they smell so good. They smell like cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. So yeah, those are just some of the soaps I'm working on at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting these bars of soap now. This is my soap cutter that I'm using. It's actually a cheese cutter, but it definitely gets the job done, but it's definitely not the best. I kind of have a few ideas how I might modify this to make it better, or possibly even just try to build my own soap cutter. I would love to get one of those multi-bar cutters, but those are like literally $200, $300. So that's just not in the budget right now. So this is what I'm working with. But yeah, I'm going to cut up these bars of soap and let you guys see those. Okay, so these are the cut bars of soap. You can see that they have a little bit of discoloring around the edges, that side that has oxidized. The inside will turn that same kind of little bit of a deeper orange color. That's just the fragrance oil. It definitely oxidizes and discolors just a little bit. There's also just a tiny bit of titanium dioxide in here that I had mixed in with the brown to lighten it up. There's just a few speckles where that hadn't gotten completely incorporated. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a little bit of an aesthetic thing. But yeah, so those are all of the little soaps that I cut. They smell so good, and I can't wait to get these curing and put these up on my shop. Okay, so I just finished doing my makeup. I ended up just putting my hair up. I really need to wash it, but I'm not going to do that till tonight. But I'm going to go have a birthday, I don't know if it's going to be lunch or dinner yet, with my mom. So we're going to go have sushi. I'm really looking forward to that, even though I've had a lot of sushi this week, but I love sushi so much. So yeah, I just did my makeup and I like how it turned out. It looks really pretty. I was trying out a new little mini makeup palette that I got from Wet n Wild. It was the one I was using in yesterday's video. It's called Nude Awakening. It was like under $5 and it's really so good. I do have to say, I'm not a huge fan of the shimmers as much. I mean, I can get the job done, but the mattes are really, really good. So yeah, I really like how this makeup look turned out, and I just wanted to show that real quick. Okay, I think one of my next things I want to tackle today is kind of cleaning up this room a little bit. It is a little bit messy. My desk in particular is what I really, really need to get a little bit of a handle on. So yeah, I think I'm going to kind of try to tidy up some. Okay, this is mainly all the mess I need to clean up. A lot of makeup, a lot of junk, just a whole bunch of stuff that needs to get fixed. Okay, it's not perfect and it's still quite messy, but this table is very old, so a lot of that is actually just like cracks and scratches and stains on the desk, so please excuse that. But other than that, I think I made a pretty good progress with cleaning up my desk.
Avocado, eel sauce, and spicy mayo. Wow, look at the rainbow.
Alright, so I had dinner with my mom tonight for my birthday and with her boyfriend, and we had sushi. I only filmed like a couple little clips, but oh my god, it was so good. I had like a honey chicken bento box, and we got this really cool roll. It's called the Temptation of Fire, and it comes out on fire, and it tastes so good. It's definitely a really interesting roll, but it has like a smoky flavor from it being on fire, and it tastes so good. And then we had another one. It was called like a fancy rainbow roll. It was so good as well, but I am absolutely stuffed. I did have a little bit of a birthday cake that my mom got me, and I love cookie cake. It's one of my favorite cakes. So yeah, that was it for my birthday. Had a really good time. Definitely different celebrating birthday in COVID world, but definitely had a really great time, and I can't believe I'm 27 now. That just feels really weird. But yeah, that is it for Vlogoween day 4. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys will watch tomorrow. Bye.